massive mandate received by the BJP in Uttar Pradesh. So let's talk about that. Great mandate, massive mandate, but is still facing the daunting task of revealing a candidate who will take the top post as UP Chief Minister. With barely a day left before the final name is announced, the suspense has left everyone on tenterhooks. BJP UP President Keshav Prasad Maurya tweeted the legislators will be meeting tomorrow to take a call. Here's my colleague Supriya Shinate joining us with that story. Supriya, we've heard so many different names doing the rounds, but what we do know is that come 18th, we will see a swearing-in ceremony.
It's a massive mandate for the Bharatiya Janata Party in Uttar Pradesh. 312 of the 403 seats. The BJP couldn't have asked for more magic to be created. But the race for the Chief Minister is still on. We're given to understand that the party legislators will meet in Lucknow on Saturday at 4 p.m. is when they will all meet together and decide on the leader of the House and Assembly who will be the next Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Various names that have been doing the rounds. Prominent amongst them is Home Minister Rajnath Singh. What stands in his favor is the fact that he's had previous experience in administration of UP, but he's from the Thakur community, and that stands against him because that's not such a powerful number, that's not such a powerful caste equation to throw its weight behind. Manoj Sinha, extremely clean, has a good image, is known to be a decisive leader. What goes against him is does not have a huge mass base. He's from Ghazipur, so belongs to the Eastern UP belt, is known to be a dominant political figure in that part of UP. Then, of course, Keshav Prasad Maurya from the OBC community. He also is the party president of Uttar Pradesh. Many people believe he led a very effective campaign along with Amit Shah in India's most populous state. But there are dark horses and we can't rule them out. Dinesh Sharma, the mayor of Lucknow, has a clean image, is known to be very close to both the Shah-Modi duo. So that he could be a dark horse because he also belongs to the Brahmin community, and the BJP would either want to get an OBC or a Brahmin in the chief minister's position. The other person whose name have been doing the rounds are people like Satish Mahana or Suresh Khanna. They belong to the Khatri community. Influential, yes, have been legislators for very long, but the names are also doing the rounds as far as UP Speaker's position is concerned. The suspense continues, but I think it will be out soon because the swearing-in ceremony will be on Sunday.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.